How to use UniSwap beginners tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at UniSwap, which is a simple protocol that you can use to change networks on any of your crypto wallets. That is one of the primary functions of UniSwaps. It is available on multiple different wallets. You can see some of the most popular wallets are enabled on this platform, and they enable you to be able to store cryptocurrencies and change the networks on your crypto simply and easily with their system. Now, the best part about UniSwap is that they are going to enable you to a decentralized crypto trading protocol, and they have a very large trade volume. They are very trustable, and you don't have to do swaps by custom networks. You can trust the networks that they are providing, as well as the fact that they have UniSwap governance, where it's basically governance by the token holders, as well as a governance protocol form, a simple governance form, and simple developer APIs as well. So to get started with UniSwap, all you need to do is take a look at your crypto wallet. So for this, you do need to have a crypto wallet. You can see I have MetaMask over here, and if you don't have your crypto wallet installed already, you can just click on download over here, choose your device. So if you're on your browser, just go with Chrome. If you're on your phone, download it for iOS or Android, and you can download this on Firefox, Brave, or Edge, and you're just going to click on install MetaMask for Chrome. This will open up the Chrome web store, as you can see over here. Once the Chrome web store is open, you can just add MetaMask to your Chrome extension. So you can see on the top right over here, I have my MetaMask extension, and you can see on my crypto wallet over here, MetaMask is on Ethereum mainnet. So maybe I want to go on to a Cardano-based or Polygon-based or Solana-based platform, and there are many reasons to why you might want to switch networks on your crypto wallet. For example, I go on OpenSea and I am taking a look at the NFTs on OpenSea. And turns out I really end up liking a NFT that is from a Solana collection. So this is not on the Ethereum network, this is only on Solana, and I cannot purchase this directly from my ETH account because this is a Ethereum based wallet. For that, I would need to be on the Solana network. So that is why UniSwap is so helpful and such a efficient tool to use. Now, to get started with UniSwap, first you have to install your browser or your browser extension for your crypto wallet. Like I have MetaMask, so you can see my MetaMask account has been created. Once your account for your crypto wallet is completed, just click on Launch App over here on UniSwap. And now you're going to click on Connect Wallet. Now they will show you the wallet options. I will click on MetaMask over here. Once you click on MetaMask, you will see they will show you a verification. So you're going to click on Next. You're going to click on Connect. And now you can see over here, my wallet has been connected to UniSwap. Now, once my wallet has been connected to UniSwap, you can see it shows the network that I am on, which is Ethereum. Now I can select any other network such as Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, or Celo to switch networks. So if I want to go onto Polygon, I will just click on Polygon, and they will show you a MetaMask notification on the top right of your screen, and they will show you all of the network information, and you're going to click on Approve. And now they will ask you if you want to allow the site to choose or switch your network. So you're going to click on Switch Networks. And now you can see I have switched to the Polygon network and open up my MetaMask account over here. It says on the top right, Polygon instead of Ethereum mainnet. So now I am on the Polygon network. And instead of holding Ethereum, I can hold Matic in my account. And another great thing about the swapping options on UniSwap is that you can not only swap tokens, but you can see that if I have Matic, so Matic is the native token of the Polygon blockchain, I can select a second token, like let's say I want to go with USDT. So maybe I want to change my Matic to USDT. And I can directly just do that from over here. They will fetch me the best price, and directly within my wallet, I can actually change my crypto token into another crypto token. You will also get a price impact. You will see a slippage that you will actually receive, the network fees, and auto routers as well. So they will give you the best prices available for a switch to a different token. Then you also have a pool, and this is a liquidity pool. You can click on new and you can choose a token pair like this, and then you can go on ahead and pool in your crypto tokens, and this actually gives you yields or interest. It's kind of like holding your money in a bank, and you can just hold it in the crypto pool. When you hold money in the crypto pool, then you get a interest in return, and this is going to help you in getting passive income using a simple system like UniSwap. So other than that, a great part about using UniSwap is that you have a good community. They have Discord servers, they have Twitter accounts, they have their governance forum, and even Reddit-based conversations where you can take a part in the discussion about the different features of UniSwap. You can take a look at all of the ideas or the future or potential of UniSwap. Because there is so much potential with UniSwap, there is so much that can be done, so much that is being done on their platform, that it is very, very lucrative to be a part of the community. You can expect UniSwap to expand into the NFT game. They even have a blog, a FAQ, and simple community building forums for people to be able to feel like they are a part of this entire system that is being built with the UniSwap platform. Now you can see not only can you swap specific tokens for other tokens, but you even have a managed token list, so you can go on ahead and turn on the optimism token list. You can turn on the specific token lists or specific tokens. If you want to manage or look out for a specific token, you can go on ahead and add that token just so you can keep it on your watch list. And you also have charts over here. So if you click on charts, you get a Uniswap overview of a specific token. You have the USD token, you have wrapped Ether, Matic, the wrapped Ether BTC, and other tokens as well as the 24-hour volume change of a specific token. You can also browse the pools that are present. So as we were talking about providing liquidity, you can go on ahead and take a look at the liquidity pools and how much volume has been garnered in the past 24 hours and the total volume in the past 7 days. So you can see that the liquidity pool on Uniswap is very large, and that is why it is such a trustable and simple to use platform. You don't really have to worry about anything, and it is very simple to switch back to a network. So you can see currently I'm on Polygon, but if I click on Polygon Bridge over here, I can open up my Polygon wallet specifically, and you can even see that if you click on, let's say I want to go back to Ethereum mainnet. So for that, all I have to do is click on Ethereum. MetaMask will open up and give me a notification, and I will say switch network, and just like that, I am back on Ethereum mainnet. So it's very simplified to switch networks on their platform, and you can easily switch networks to any other platform of your choice. You can see I'm going to switch to Celo now. And now you can see my MetaMask wallet is functioning on the Celo network. So this is going to enable you to keep all of your crypto tokens in one wallet instead of having to create multiple wallets. Like you can see over here, I have Phantom, I have Nami, and these two are other crypto wallets. And you might not have the need to create other crypto wallets once you have Polygon and once you have like a Uniswap, and you can switch between Polygon, Ethereum, Optimism, and other networks. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.